We are from Iceland. My name is Karen Elizabeth. And this is...
Seriously, you don't know my name.
We've
We've been friends for like 5 years now.
1 year.
Half year.
Så. Okay. Nu kan jeg tage Iceland is made of snow.
Basically.
We're at school now, and this is the school, and our home is a snow house. Not big.
We decided to take all the videos in the school because, you know, it's better, you know, the lighting and everything. And more warmer.
Help us, we're poor.
Yeah,
Help me, I'm
we
poor.
live in a snow house.
Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber. And I'm heading with a
Ike wants out wiener.
But I can't. Selena.